anyone new to my videos might not recognize the way I handle mixture problems, so I apologize in advance. I like to say, let's pretend we're mixing through our mixtures and mixing bowls here, and I put prices or percents on top and amounts on the bottom. So I'm saying a 5% mixture is to be combined with a 40% mixture, percents going on the top. How much of each? I'm missing the amounts, so that'll be X and Y down below. Should be used to make 20 liters, that's an amount, of a final mixture here, which is 25% acid. Now, since there are percents or 2 decimal places on each of these things up top, I can basically multiply through by 100 and get rid of them. And I'm going to write my two equations by going top times bottom, 5x, plus top times bottom, 40y, plus top times bottom, 25 times 20 makes 500. My second equation, basically relating the amounts of these liquids, can be found by just going straight across the bottom. X plus y equals 20. Then we have simultaneous equations we're going to solve, and I'll just start the problem right there. Okay, I'm going to choose to eliminate the x's by multiplying through on the second equation by -5 and sliding the top equation over. That will give me 5x plus 40y equals 500 for the first equation. And multiplying the second equation through by -5, -5x minus 5y equals -100. -100. And adding down, we will get 35y equals 400. And therefore y will equal 400 over 35, and each numerator and denominator are divisible by 5, so we will get 80 over 7, and therefore y is 11 3/7 liters, and that is of the 40%. I'll actually label 40% right there. And since our two amounts add up to 20, we can subtract that 11 3/7 away from 20 and get 8 4/7 liters for the X, which is the 5% acid solution. Okay, let's try another. Find 3 consecutive odd integers. We're going to represent those algebraically as x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. And this time we're finding their sum, and their sum, 3x plus 6, is 51. So, subtracting 6 on each side, we're going to have 3x equals 45, and dividing each side by 3, we're going to get 15. So our 3 values are going to be 15 for x, adding 2 we get 17, and adding 2 again we're going to get 19. And that is our solution set up there in red at the top. Okay, next problem. Here we go. The product of consecutive integers. Okay, consecutive integers, no word even or odd listed there. Tells us we're dealing with x and x plus 1, and we're multiplying. That's why I put the parentheses there. That's the equal sign, 72. We're going to distribute on the left x squared plus x, and since this is quadratic, we're going to subtract the 72 to the left, so set that equal to 0. This will then factor x plus 9 times x minus 8, and we can use the zero product rule to get two solutions of x equals -9 or x equals +8. But with consecutive integer problems, these are not our solutions. They're not even consecutive. Each of this will give us have an x plus 1 going with them. So we're going to have -9 and -8 as one solution set, and +8 and +9 as a second solution set. And in both cases their product is 72, and in both cases they are consecutive. So there's no reason to cross off any negative solutions.